This is a video about a Chevy truck I have for sale. It's a 78 Chevy truck. 4-wheel drive, short box. Try and take a look underneath here. Receiver hitch. This is just undercoating flaking off here. The box is real solid. Mufflers aren't doing the greatest. Getting rusty. Box is real solid underneath. Frame is real good. Box is solid on the inside. The tires are pretty old and cracked. More undercoating here taken off. Cab corner, door. It's got dual tanks. Dual exhaust. Under the cab here. I'm trying to see, it's pretty dark in here. Floorboard, solid. Rocker panel looks pretty good too. Frame still has paint on it here. Four-wheel drive, lockouts work good. Needs a fender. Take a look on the inside here. Some tearing on the door fabric here. A little bit of rust here. Salvageable yet. Seat's been recovered, I think. I've had this cover on it ever since I've had it. Tinted back window, the slider. Steering column has a little play. Smudge here. Just like that. Sometimes you can put the key in to turn it, you gotta push it over a little bit. I don't think the oil pressure gauge works. The speedometer is off a little bit. It has the wrong gearbox in the cable. Switch for the dual tanks. It doesn't run on the right hand tank. I think the switch is bad. Transfer case shift lever. Low lock, low, neutral, high, and high lock. This is the transfer case. Looking for some numbers on there, but I don't see them. Passenger side floorboard, solid. Rocker panel's good. As you can see, the bumper doesn't fit straight on there. Something must be crooked somewhere. So if you want the body panels to fit, you'll have to do some tweaking. There's the other side of the truck. Cab corner here. Fender there. Bent back here. Washer fluid. This pump is bad. It doesn't pump. It's a stock 350 4-barrel quadrijet carburetor. Cab does have some rust here. I did put some great stuff in the rust holes there, but so behind the distributor here it's rusted. It does have rust under the windshield here too, a hole, and a cracked windshield also. Engine was replaced about 9 years ago, so was the transmission with a rebuilt right from Napa.